Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yeah,
People them a try hard, no
this
joke.
morning, me get up. And when me look, for sure you say people in my try hard to bumbuck, lad. Hard, daddy. Look at people. People in my try hard, brother. No joke. See it? I'm try hard, you fuck.
Bruh, people are trying. Man, go watch your dirty ticket on them now, man. Man, go watch on them, man. This man look like in the deal with some coal skiller sitting to your that do some wood fire sitting there. Man, I say people are trying hard, man. We do a copper ring for their finger. Eh? And look a stainless steel ring for their finger, the man that say people are trying hard, man. Come on, man. We have done this to people. One Bible and one chain. But I want to believe a corrupt with the mind and the mentality, you know, brother. Come on, man. People are trying hard. Man, gosh, you're thinking on them, man. Look at them and them people. Like he has some corn the 16th century to write it. Eh? You man like he has some corn but he has like 16th century. See? And the part the black. Man, that's the people that try hard. Try hard, man. Come on, man. Believe in the Almighty and trust in the Almighty, man. If you think in your mindset that people are trying hard, you don't need to do video and put you out there, man. Come on, man. You need to pray to the Almighty. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. This man come from big old social media, people them a try hard. Look at me and people. You know how much hard work them and I do? In the past? How much hard work? Chop coal pasta, chop road work. You understand? Lift much black work, how much construction site. You get me? Think of all the work them. Do farming, dig yamel, do all of the work them you can't think of. Chop down woodland. All of them work the one you can't think of have done, people. See? And my and them been all like they ain't look so. See? But can't come in at them for sure. See? But you know, so we not really do them thing than more people. So we not discriminate and so we can't scoop up do them. See? But we don't gonna say. See? But this man I look like, say, yo, you have some corn in the 16th century. And you look like, you see the black part now. It's like, say, in go dig a coal skill and push your knife coal skill. Put back the ring over white people. So that's why I stay like that, you know. Then the man I go come. Come on, man. People are trying to work and wish on them. So they ring them I work too. When I ring them, then you have the power. Jaja see Jaja was attacking boss. Oh my world, oh my peace. Just look at this one, man. Huh? People them a try hard. Where you get this thing from in your mindset, man? Man, go check yourself and fix yourself, bro. People them a try hard, you know. Look on the finger them. Boy, Jaja. This now the mind and the mentality about people that try hard. You know, Tande with it. Tande with it. They will try hard for true, you know. Because a lot of other things only enough to do, so they will try hard. But as me say, this one to me don't look like nobody a try hard. Because when people are try hard, it's different. Me know say maybe I say them a try hard and them they are protect you. But on a real level, them a same thing I look like say as me tell the people, it want go through some, you want some disinfectant, some bleach or some Gramazone or something for the people to cleanse it up and some sanitizer or something. See? Yes, I think that you need people. But me not think so this another people a try hard. This team like you need a nice cleansing and a nice shower and a nice water. I get one power wash, get the hand like this, get one power wash and turn it on you and see. And if I see when them put the power wash on you and in a move, then I can see the people them a try. I get some bleach and get one of the, you know, the silver score shine people where you score the pot them. Yes, and scrub it. Scrub it. Don't stop scrub it. And when I finish now, then I can see the people them a try if I see them move. But now, not until you get the pan there with the water and the soap and the sod, then you can see the people in my child. So for now, man, go cleanse yourself. A reality. Enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. Thanks to the like, the share, the comment. You understand what people? Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK Production Official, attacking boss on Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production. More love, more respect, and I want team, one dream, one scheme, and I want attacking boss people. Subscribe. You don't subscribe as yet? You don't subscribe? Please do subscribe. Thank you all. More love.